One lion gives a mighty roar, hear it echo more and more. Two monkeys swing in a tree, laughing loud and wild with glee. Three elephants stomp around, big gray feet upon the ground. Four rabbits hop, hop, hop through the garden.